slept on the bottom bed, and Carlos slept on top in this room.
All packed up. Thank you very much to the Camino AMIGOS at Caudete for this wonderful albergue right next to the church in this historic building. Before leaving town, we stopped in this bar to have a coffee. Look, Christmas trees are up.
This is my favorite things to eat for breakfast on the Camino. You take some fresh crushed up tomatoes, add it onto some toasted bread, drizzle with olive oil, and then salt to taste. Leaving Caudete.
The first 10 kilometers today were country roads, and now for a long time I'm beside the highway. I hate the highway, but we are having a little break, and I had a pineapple juice box, and I'm going to eat this chocolate thing. I don't know what it is, but I like trying new snacks in every country I go to. So this is called Mr. Brown, and it's very brown. It's like a chocolate brownie with fudge inside. Pretty good, pretty good.
Not a lot of shade up ahead. A little bit left.
Chorizo sandwich.
Hurry up!
Ruffles chips, jamon.
It's
It's like prosciutto flavor.
Camino information sign here. In 1707, a retreating army led by Count Donar went through the Almansa corridor, and this is the pass towards the Mediterranean. This is the field of Almansa. In 1707, there was a battle, and many people died, wounded, captured, 13,500 of them.
The outcome was that the Bourbon army was successful, and this tilted the favor for succession to the Spanish throne by Philip V.
Fighting, 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 fighting.
Tequila!
Tequila! It's a meow meow party here, and they all scattered. Bye! Hello, kitty. 5-minute detour. This is the convent. There's no sign on the outside, so we missed it, but we found it. Sí. Gracias. I have a private room in the convent, €7 for the night. And my bathroom is down the hall here. In this very nice plaza with pretty fountain and a lit up castle. I was gonna climb up there, but you can see there's a big crane. It's closed for construction. Big church. This palace is now a city building. Really love the door.
Just finished picking up a couple things at the downtown supermarket here. Now I'm in a bar, and I'm excited because this is a new beer. Usually everything, when I order a beer, I always get Estrella. That's like the only thing that they have. Well, this is called CALATRAVA, and it's from this province. I'm in Castilla province now, so let us try. It's super malty, not what I expected, not as crisp as the Estrella beers, but very easy drinking. If you like malt, then you'll like this.
I can understand this is some kind of lottery festival gift, and it's full of great stuff, including a giant leg of ham. Donar kebab dinner.
This bottle of wine at the grocery store, €3. And Carlos said, "Oh, that's expensive." I'm like, €3? Like, don't worry. You want to know what I pay in Canada. Anyhow, this bottle of wine is Castillo de Almansa. Like, you can't get more local than that. There is the castle that I was just walking underneath moments ago. And this wine is definitely made in this area, possibly with grapes that I walked past today.